What is up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can swap Venom to USDT on your OKX exchange. Well, the process for that is pretty simple. In order to do that, you need to be at your Google and then simply search for OKX and then go to OKX website, which should be okx.com. In the okx.com, you have to log into your account. After logging into your account, you'll be able to see a page something like that. Now here, to swap, you just have to actually sell your cryptocurrency and buy a new one. In this case, you want to have to sell your Venom coins to any other cryptocurrency, which should be USDT. Now for that, you just have to click on your assets and then click on My Assets. It will open up the assets page, which will look something like that. Here, you just have to click on this buy crypto. If you click on buy crypto, you'll be able to sell it and buy it according to you. You just have to sell your Venom coins with your fiat currency, which should be British pound or US dollars or any other cryptocurrency according to your country. Once you have that, you just have to go to buy section and then enter the amount of USDT that you can buy with that money. That's pretty much it. That's all. Be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.